Welcome back to Mentority, your source for all things related to writing. In today's video, we have something special for all our fellow content creators and writers out there. We will be discussing the top 5 best free AI writing tools, perfect for generating content, whether it's for your blog, website, or any other project. We'll break down their best features, explain why each tool shines, and discuss their pricing plans. So, let's dive in. First tool, ChatGPT. The very first free writing tool on our list is ChatGPT. Recently, AI-based writing tools have been gaining fame over the past few months. ChatGPT is one of the best free AI writing tools, which anyone can use, without any prior training or knowledge. Best features of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge language model, developed by OpenAI. It's not just your average chatbot, it's a versatile AI writing assistant that can help you in numerous ways. Struggling to come up with ideas for your next blog post or script? ChatGPT can assist in content generation by offering topic suggestions and even writing paragraphs or outlines to get you started. However, one drawback of ChatGPT is its pre-trained dataset. GPT 3.5, trained on a predefined set of data that hasn't been updated since 2021. So, it couldn't write content on current affairs and updated information. ChatGPT accessibility. ChatGPT is an online writing tool, which can be accessed on any desktop or smartphone device. The earlier version of ChatGPT 3.5 is available for free use. If you want to use the updated version ChatGPT 4, then you'll have to spend $20 per month. Second tool, Bard. Next, we have Bard, a tool that's excellent for creative content. It's designed to assist writers in generating content that's engaging, imaginative, and unique. Bard can be your creative writing partner. Bard is one of the best AI writing tools, considering the fact that it's provided by Google, one of the largest search engines on the internet. Best features of Bard. Bard's standout feature is its ability to craft captivating narratives, making it an excellent choice for authors, bloggers, and anyone looking to infuse creativity into their content. Bard is better for writing a blog or article on updated information over ChatGPT because of its up-to-date language model. You can ask Bard, write engaging articles or blogs on current affairs or internet-based information or data. Bard accessibility. Bard is also available to use on any Android, iOS, or Windows devices. Bard offers a free plan with limitations. Third tool, Claude.ai. Moving on to Claude.ai, which is perfect for businesses and professionals. It specializes in creating clear, concise, and professional content, making it an ideal choice for reports, emails, and other business documents. Best features of Claude.ai. Claude.ai is a best tool for carrying out long researches on earlier research papers, or finding out some data from a large data file. It allows you to upload a PDF file of any research paper or data file. You can then ask Claude.ai fetch any data, information, or write a summary of the research paper. Claude.ai accessibility. You can access Claude.ai for free with some limitations, and their paid plans start at $19 per month. Third tool, Curated. Now, let's talk about Curated, an AI writing tool that excels at generating a wide variety of content. From blog posts to marketing copy, it's a versatile tool that's great for bloggers and digital marketers. Best features of Curated. What sets Curated apart is its ease of use, and the ability to create content on demand. You can even customize the tone and style of your content to match your brand. Curated is a best choice for academic writers, because it provides a built-in plagiarism checker, so that the writers don't have to invest extra amount on plagiarism checker. It also provides some exciting extra features with the paid plans like WordPress plugin, AI image generation, and creating your own custom use case. Accessibility of Curated. Writer.ai offers a free version with limitations, and a paid plan starting at $9 per month. Final tool, WriteSonic. Last but not least, we have WriteSonic. This tool is perfect for e-commerce businesses and product descriptions. It excels in generating product descriptions, making it a valuable asset for online retailers. Best features of WriteSonic. WriteSonic is not just an AI writing tool, it's a whole package for small entrepreneurs, SEO specialists, and freelancers. It comes with other exciting AI tools like Photosonic, for generating AI images, Complete Article Rewriter, an AI editor Sonic, with one-click WordPress exports and Zapier integration. WriteSonic's strength lies in its ability to describe products, in a compelling and persuasive manner, which can boost your sales and conversions. Accessibility of WriteSonic. WriteSonic is available on every Android, iOS, and Windows platform. WriteSonic offers a free trial, but for continued use, their paid plans start at $13 per month. I think the free plan of WriteSonic is enough for beginner writers and freelancers, because it includes many exciting features. So, there you have it, our list of the top 5 best free AI writing tools. Each of these tools has its unique strengths, and the right choice for you depends on your specific needs. Whether you're a blogger, entrepreneur, author, business professional, or e-commerce owner, there's a tool on this list that can help you streamline your content creation process. Remember that while these tools offer free plans with limitations, investing in a paid plan can unlock their full potential and offer more features and benefits. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more writing-based content. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Until next time, this is Mentority, signing off.